Alright, this video is for Tom right here. That way he can see how my workflow is and how I do post audio recording. Right now I'm recording using the webcam that here's behind me. So the first thing I do right is I think of an idea here. And I use they'll have two different microphones here. I bought this one recently. It's at the Microsoft Center. I think I paid 25 bucks for this. This one's good for close range. However, that's that. But this one right here is the one I used to use. This thing picks up everything. It's a condenser mic. This one, yeah, that picks up all the sound. It's sort of like the webcam mic I have right now. I think probably is picking up the cars. But yeah, so when I use this one, I go close mic right here, right? But with this one right here, this condenser. So this condenser microphone, and this is dynamic microphone. This is, you have to be like really close, like practically kissing the mic in order to use it. And this condenser one, I can just have it right here, let it sit right there, and it'll pick up the sound naturally. So depending on if I want to the audio levels right now, I have both of them connected here. So we go to my sound settings here. Sound settings. Let's go to sound panel. Oops, sorry. My camera's blocking it. Hold on. Go to sound settings and then hold on. Can I? Okay, I'm gonna have to move my camera. Let me move this down just a little. Okay, here. And you go to sound panel. You get this right. It sounds right here, and you get to see. You see that I have both my my microphones picking up. This the eBerry one right here, the condenser one, and then I have the dynamic one. The dynamic one's right here. See if I tap it, it's right there, down here. Yep. So now you see all three of the microphones there. So, and the webcam right here is the one I'm recording. But then you have to consider this, right? These things have pros and cons. In order for this thing's barely picking up any sound right here. But if I put close range like this, you see how that picks up sound? But that's one drawback to it since it's very low, because you have to be practically kissing the mic, as I said, for dynamic, because it's like a vocal microphone. But this eBerry one, oh, that thing picks up everything. I think okay, but I think I'll demonstrate the easier route here with the dynamic one. Now, this is my idea right here. So I was like, okay, I want to create this video that I learned recently. I learned today. It was about PHP. So this is just going to be the raw footage of the whole recording experience. So let's go and create a file here. You're probably hearing the cars in the background right now too. This is all raw right here. Nothing's edited right here. Okay, you can actually. I'll put like I'll add you some timestamps so that way you can see like when the audio gets recorded, the videos get recorded, it starts and ends. That way it makes it easier. You don't have to like sit around and look through the whole raw footage right here. All right, so the idea that came to mind was this right here. So I saw, let's open up Notepad. So here, right, Notepad. Let's open up a new one. New, and we'll say this is PHP. We'll call this the question mark operator. This is what I learned today. Question mark. I hope it accepts that. Say this is PHP. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Question mark operator. Okay. What? Hold on. www question mark operator go. It doesn't like that. Okay, it doesn't like that. Understood. Question underscore mark operator. Okay, good. Let me X out of this one. All right. Let's just set it up here. PHP. Okay, good. Oh, yeah, that's good. say, now this is what I normally do. This is how I do my setup here. So I'll just have, I'll have Notepad over here, and then I'll have, oh, that's right. I was doing some research on that. Okay. I was gonna do have Notepad right there, and the oh, that's right, amps. I need to run amps. Amps right here. Oh, sorry, you probably can't even see that, but yeah, I'm going to run amps right here. Go here. Here we go. Okay, there you go. All right, let me do this again. So, boom and amps. All right, so now I have the setup for the video. Let me close this one up. Don't quit it. Okay, but now it's still there though. All right, good. All right, now I have the setup for the video, and this is how I usually do the introduction. First, I just record everything, and then after that, I'll have the introduction. So now I already have the skeleton here set up, and I have the amps right here, so I can just select it right there. And I'll just click, and it's good to go. All right, so let's get started. So let me see. So now I gotta go like focus mode here. So go here, and hold on. So this is how it goes. I go like, hello everyone, but this is after. So during this part here, I don't say anything. It's just all post-recording because I can't talk fast enough for 1 minute mark. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What happened here? This is not PHP? Oh, what did I do wrong here? Hold on. So now I gotta figure out what did I do wrong. Okay, why isn't this working? Okay, let me see. Oh, that's why. Okay. It's a text file, not a PHP. Alright, here we go. Oh, goodness. So now I figured that out. I was like, what? Okay. Now this is the whole trial and error thing, because sometimes I have like some silly things like that. Alright, so then it's take two. Alright. So now I gotta think to myself, what did I do incorrectly here? So if the viewer is greater than 1, it'll say you have a viewer. If not, be yourself. So now I gotta think, what did I do wrong here? Let me see, refresh. Oh, one of them, this could be it too. Yeah, okay. I need to get rid of one of these, one of the ones that are here. Hold on. Let me go to that other one's distracting. Which one? This one's distracting. Get rid of that one. Alright. Okay, now let me see what's wrong here. You have a viewer, okay, cast string and expect. Line 4. Okay, let me see what did I do wrong here. Oh, I forgot the question mark. Okay, question mark. Refresh. Be yourself. Okay. So, right, that's a really raw one right there, but I forgot the so, alright, so that's pretty raw, but now if I manipulate this to viewer to 2, right, and hit refresh, you have a viewer, and that's it. Okay, good. Alright, but this video right here, I probably wouldn't edit it because I already had the raw footage on there. But let me, okay, but just so in case I would use it, this is how I would go though. And then I would hit 2, right? So I would hit 2. So now this is the part where I end this video in order to edit the other video. So I'm gonna end this video and combine the 2 videos in one. So here we go. So I'm gonna end this one and create another one and splice them together. Here we go. I'll be right back. Alright. Now this is the second video here. That way it's just spliced. Okay. So now that that's complete, I have some footage to work with. This won't be a minute length. This is just for example. So now I go to Sony Vegas here. Okay. I'll go new. I'll put this in my G. I have a drive for video editing here. Put this in G. Minute coding. What is this called? I called it PHP. Sony Vegas. Okay. Now I'll just go here, import, right? So this I just import the footage, right? That was that 10-minute thing that the raw footage you saw. This is normally I save this here. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm here, and here it is. This is the wait, hold on. Oh, that's the one I'm recording right now. So this is the one that's recording, and this is the one that's 10 minutes, 11 minutes of on that's footage that's not even how do you say it? Footage that's not even edited. So save here, and let's see. I'll go here. Video editing again. What's this? Minute coding. PHP. Save this project in Sony Vegas. Now, what's this be? Lesson 4? Lesson 4. I don't even know what to call it. I guess I'll call it Lesson 4. What is this? Ternary? Lesson 4. No. Lesson 4. It's called ternary operator, but what would I call it? I'm trying to think. I would call it Lesson 4. That's what it's called, right? Ternary operator? Let me see. Then sometimes I have to do research here. I was like, I don't remember what it's called. Okay. Ternary operator. Okay. Question mark. Ternary operator. Alright, good. Ternary operator. Question mark. Would it accept question marks, or is that an illegal character? Yeah, it's an illegal character. Okay, cool. Alright, question mark. I'll just put question mark. Okay. Alright. After that, I just drag, because I just want to just use the, I'll have it all on one video. That way you can see how meta this is. So this is just the I'll add this across time, right? Here we go. Add that across time. Now let's say I'm just interested in the part where I'm just working on it. So what I would do here, right, is, all right, let me minimize this. I have two screens here, right? I have this screen for the main, so let me see. I have this screen here for the main, and that screen over there for the video viewing. So I'll just hit this button right here, and I can see both on both screens. All right, so let me see. I'm just interested in looking for the part where it's the minute. That way I can just separate those two. Let me see. Okay, that was the error here, so then okay, I had to correct that. It's confused. Okay, good. And now this is the part right here we're looking for. We're looking for this part. Okay, I'll split it here. Let me see. Actually, I want this to go back. As you know, I think I actually reset it, didn't I? Yeah, I did reset it. Okay, good. Okay, here we go. So, here we go. So I split here, right? In Sony Vegas, you use the S key to split. And I can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. And let me see, and then I'll look for the next splitting point here. Actually, this is fine. This is fine. So, and then in Sony Vegas as well, you have to right click here, and you have to ungroup this because you don't want the original audio. So let me think about that. Okay, so since I don't want the original audio, I'll want to ungroup them. So switch, group, remove from U. That's what it is in Sony Vegas. Remove from U. That way you can just gut out the audio right there. Right. So then you have, so you're gonna have, what you're gonna have is this video right here, and you're gonna have me overdubbing it as well. Alright, here we go. And the funny part is I'm gonna have to add this clip into that clip too, so it's gonna be a lot of stuff going on. But let me go with the let me look at, then you have to choose your where you want to record, right? Send it to. So G, put this in Sony. Wait, let me make sure I'm still recording. Okay, good. It's still capturing my audio. Okay, good. I want to send this to PHP audio. Okay. Now you get to see that this is actually from the webcam as well, the default, and so that's what you have to do here. And you just get an arm right here. If this is not there, some of them won't have this. Some of this you won't have an arm to record, or the window might be too small to see the arm as well. So let me see. Arm for record. Yeah, so you just go arm for record and it's good to go. That's how you enable it in case you don't have it. Right click, arm for record, and it's there. For example, if I go and insert audio track, if they allow me, insert audio track and remove. Can I remove that? No, I'm gonna have to. Okay, that's okay. But that's how you enable it in case you don't have it on by default. And you get to see the audio levels as well right here. Okay. But this is me recording with the actual webcam here, the audio. But let me think about that. I want to record with this right here instead of the webcam. So that's something I have to figure out as well. I didn't do any research on that part. How to hot swap the recording on the go. Let me see. I should have done research on that prior to doing this. Audio device, Microsoft Sound Mapper, ISO for all. Okay, I need to. What's my? Okay, hold on. ISO for all. Okay. That's okay. We're gonna wing it with the mapper. Okay. So let's go back here. Okay. So then after that, you can hit this button again, or you can make a script as well. So here, the more advanced one, I guess, make a script. So let me just go with Word. Word, open. Don't worry about my Word. It's kind of bugged. Something's wrong with the registry. I didn't want to fix it, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna leave it as it is. Yep, cancel it. That's okay. Just let me in. Thank you. All right, here we go. Now, I go from the previous words too. That way I can just go here. Copy. X out of this. And, oops, I didn't mean to X out of Word completely. Oops. Let me go back in here. Cancel that. Yeah, cancel the setup. Cancel that too. Okay. Alright, here we go. So here I just have 2 words per second. And here we're going to over on how to, okay. Some of this is fluff, so let me just delete this. Oh wait. Okay, that's good. Alright, delete this. Wait, let me make sure that's viewable. Okay, that's pretty viewable on the other screen. Alright, so now I gotta think to myself, since I only have, this is what my restriction I'm working in 1 minute. Let me get this right here. Okay. Now this is my restriction here. I want to see what. Now this is the whole recording process here. So what I do here, right, is let me move my webcam here. Excuse me. I move my webcam up here so you can see this. Now what I like to do here, since I know I'm working with this snippet right here. Parsing error. Okay. I'm working with this snippet. I like to just loop it, right? So I just click on this. Hold on. Click on this and drag it. All right. I click on it, drag it, and then there's a button right here. That's for looping. I click on that, and then while that's looping, right, I hit the space button, and then I'll be able to see it looping on the other screen. All right. So I get an idea on what I want to present. So now I'm actually looking at what I'm typing here, and that's how I get my idea. Okay, so wait, let me pause it. Let me make sure you can see that. You can probably see you probably see you probably saw it looping on that screen over there. But yeah, okay, let me just hit the play. Yeah. So you see it looping on the other screen there. Now that one get ideas, and then it just keeps looping back and forth. That way I can think, all right, what did I do at this point? So I was like, so I'll go like, hello, everyone, welcome to coding, right? I'll go like, today we are going over an operator that accepts 3 parameters. No, 3 operands. Operands, right? Oh, let me make sure you can see that too. Because the webcam, yeah, you can see that. I think you can see that. Oh, let me pause it. You can see me typing that, can it? Right? You can see me typing that. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. All right, let me continue the Sony Vegas. All right, we're going over over an operator that accepts 3 operands, right? All right. So I'm still looking at the footage over there. That way I get some ideas. And then I see that I did viewer equal 1, echo. Now, and this is what I'll do. Now, the first thing we'll do, comma, is declare a variable and set it to a value. All right, that's what we did. We'll want to print that variable using echo, right? Okay. After that, let me see. What do you do after that? You want to set a condition. In this case, we are stating if a viewer is greater than 1, viewer is greater than 1, this statement will execute. You have a viewer. You have a viewer statement will execute, right? I'm still looking at the video over there, and let me see. Okay, let me see that way I can just get ideas, right? I'll say, okay, what else is going on in this video? And I can actually see that I have made a mistake as well over there. All right, let me think about that. All right, if it's not true, comma, the statement, quote, be yourself will appear. All right, good. Now, oops, why did I keep using that? Be yourself. I should probably put that in single quotes. That way you don't mix things up. Okay. Okay, good. All right, put that. Oh, yeah, I can actually probably use this in my actual recording. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the, I have a script folder too. Minute coding, what is that called? PHP lesson, video scripts. What is this, lesson 6? This thing is lesson 4. This is lesson 4, I think. Lesson 4. Lesson 4. I'll actually use the script in my professional recording. Question mark. Okay. Alright. Okay. First thing we'll do is clear that, set a value. We'll want to print that variable using echo. After that, you want to set a condition. In this case, we're stating if a viewer is greater than 1, then you have a viewer. Then you have a viewer. Then, if in this case, if viewer is greater than 1, then this you have a viewer statement will execute. If it's not true, the statement be yourself will appear. Okay. You gotta sometimes deliver it with that emphasis right there. Alright, and then let me see what else. Then I'll just declare that I accidentally omitted the question. Actually, I just put the question mark symbol that makes this function work. Please do not. Okay. We can test it out. Okay, so let me see what else we have here. Let me think. Let me think what else we have here. Actually, you know what I should have done? Is I should have kept this audio here. I should probably keep the audio here. That way I can just record it all in one. But I'll do the voiceover. So this is what I'll do. I'll have the original audio play, right? And then I'll have this snippet combined into that. No problem. Okay. Let's go back into the Word here. Alright, let me see after that. Finally, let's test out the function. We see that when set to 2, it prints you have a viewer. All right, so that's complete right there. Now I think this script here is pretty short, but I'll just do it just to show you how it works. So now I take off this right here that says video preview on external monitor. I take actually what I first do is just unloop this, hit the space bar to stop it, take this on the other monitor, and now I'm actually we're back in Sony Vegas, right? And now we can actually let me make sure I got the script here. Okay, good. Now what I have to do here, right, is actually have I go here, right, and I'll actually have the script on the other monitor here. I'll drag it to the second monitor so I can read it, and then I can I hit this record button here. Once I hit this, it'll start recording, really recording, and then that's the video you get. So here we go. So I'm gonna record right, and 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over the operator that accepts 3 operands. Now the first thing we'll do is declare a variable and set it to a value. After that, we'll want to print that variable using echo. We want to set a condition. In this case, we're stating if viewer is greater than 1, then this "you have a viewer" statement will execute. If it's not true, the statement "be yourself" will appear. Now you can see that this does not really flow correctly. So I have to gut this out. So I actually do have to do some actual video editing for this thing, unfortunately, because it's not it's not that. But hold on. Or you can just have like a great pause. If you you can have a great pause. Let me think. So let me make this bigger, so because I can barely see this. Yeah, make this bigger, like right there. That way I can actually see it, because I would have a hard, because I usually see. All right, here we go. So sometimes you have to pause, just like have silence, you know, it just has silence. So Control R also enables recording. So let's try to take 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over an operator that accepts 3 operands. First, we'll want to print that variable using echo. That's the first thing we'll do. And we'll set the variable equal to 1. After that, you want to set a condition. In this case, oh wow, grammar. In this case, we are stating if viewer is greater than 1, then this you have a viewer statement will execute. If it's not true, the statement be yourself will appear. I accidentally omitted the question mark symbol that makes this function work. So you see me here debugging it, and I'm looking at the statement here, and I actually have 2 instances of it as well. And so I see that there's a problem right there. So I go over here and delete the earlier version I had right there. I didn't have 2 versions. I accidentally had 2 versions. Sometimes you have to ad-lib it as well. If you're working with just unedited footage, it's just raw, you know. It just has some filler words in there. So you see me here delete it, and I go back to the original one, and it says there's a parsing error here, and I want to fix that. So I noticed here that what I missed here was a question mark. So I put the question mark in there, save, refresh, and you see be yourself appears here. And from there, you want to also check to see if the other condition actually executes. You can see me here explaining the video as well, so very meta. Refresh, you have a viewer. But yeah, that's all I want to show you today. Thank you for watching. Alright, and then you cut the video off, stop, hit done, and that's my overdub one right here. And I'll just put this back to how it was right here, and put you back up a couple of sections up here. Alright, but I'll use this. Okay, good. So I'll use this, save, and alright. Well, yeah, that's all I'll do here, and I'll have let me think how I'll splice this together. Okay, I'll splice this all together. That way it can make it look somewhat coherent. So you see the process here, and I'll have this clip at the end so you can see the product of that as well. All right, but yeah. So let me just end it right here. Stop, and I'll just hit the stop here on OBS. Stop recording. Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we'll go over an operator that accepts 3 operands. First, we'll want to print that variable using echo. That's the first thing we'll do. And we'll set the variable equal to 1. After that, you want to set a condition. In this case, oh wow, grammar. In this case, we are stating if viewer is greater than 1, then this you have a viewer statement will execute. If it's not true, the statement be yourself will appear. I accidentally omitted the question mark symbol that makes this function work. So you can see me here debugging it, and I'm looking at the statement here, and I actually have 2 instances of it as well. And so I see that there's a problem right there. So I go over here and delete the earlier version I had right there. I didn't have 2 versions. I accidentally had 2 versions. Sometimes you have to ad-lib it as well. If you're working with just unedited footage, it's just raw, you know. It just has some filler words in there. So you see me here delete it, and I go back to the original one, and it says there's a parsing error here, and I want to fix that. So I noticed here that what I missed here was a question mark. So I put the question mark in there, save, refresh, and you see be yourself appears here. And from there, you want to also check to see if the other condition actually executes. You can see me here explaining the video as well, so very meta. Refresh, you have a viewer. But yeah, that's all I want to show you today. Thank you for watching. Alright, and then you cut the video off, stop